Okay, here's our model. Pretty simple, but I've only got 10 minutes. Just using some of the techniques we've done over the weeks, and I'll probably just break this tutorial up in a few sections. This one here, I'll just work on creating the body. But here you go, you can see it. And here's the simple polygon shape that I'm using to create it. Alright, delete, and I'll start. Alright, first thing we've got to do is just use our create by using a cylinder. Here we go. And I'm just going to draw from the center. Now I'm going to press X to draw from the center. That will get me directly in, and there I go, and press up. Alright, I'm just going to show shading is default material. Alright, now that's a bit too complicated. Make sure you're in your channels over here. Yeah, press this button here to get our inputs down here. Alright, now I am just going to change this to 8. I'll give myself a 5 and 0. Alright, there I go. 8, 5 and 0. It's up to your own tastes, but there you have my my shape as is. Alright, now I'm just going to select my face, and I just want to delete my top and bottom. Alright, there I go. Alright, now I'm just going to very quickly model this using my vertexes. Alright, so I'll just drag them in a bit. Look, I'm just going to be quite simple with this. Alright, what I just do, I'll just select, yikes, select them along like so, and select in the middle, like so. Do the bottom as well. Alright, okay, and look, I'll just try to clean it up a little bit. Select them all. Alright, so there I go. I've got a very simple shape here. That's going to be my body. Alright, now what our next step is, I just want to cut this in half. Again, it just makes things very easy. So I select face, and I'll just click over half. Oh, what's going on here? There's click over half and delete. Alright, there I go. Now the trick here now is I've got to make a little join through here. Alright, so I'm going to select edge, and I'm going to select one of my edges here at the bottom. Then I'm going to extrude. Okay, now I'm going to hit my global just to show you. Alright, so I get a nice straight line, and here you go. I should just be able to extrude along like so. Alright, there you go. Now, next step, select vertexes. Alright, and I'm going to move them, and I'm going to press V to snap to point. Alright, there I go. Snap to point. Next, I got to click and drag over, and I'll just have to, here you go, I'll merge my vertexes, which is this button here. Alright, there I go. Alright, click and drag and do it for both of them. Alright, so now I've got a shape, flatten down here. Next, I'm going to edit mesh. So, edit mesh, insert edge. Here we go. And I'm just going to add an edge through here, which means I can then move that down. Alright, so there you go. I've got a little hole now for my leg. I just want to now just sort of try to clean it up a bit. I got a vertex, and I'm just going to move that over. Alright, I just want to kind of nice. That's probably a little bit too much. I want to try to get some sort of nice even shape, nice even square. I'll move it around a bit. Again, it's up to you, up to your own shape, up to your own model. Here we go. That's close enough. Now I'm going to select my edges. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. There it is. Now I'll go back to extrude. And of course, use my global to push down. Right. And if we go to here, right. Again, sorry, shading, use the font material. Alright. What I can do is press my scale, and there you go. I can just get it nice and square. Alright, so let's have a look at that. Yep, that's quite okay. I might just scale that down a little bit. Alright, there we go. Could be a bit better, but now I'll just extrude again, use my global, and push down. That becomes the knee. Extrude again, use the global, and push down. Alright, so I might just leave it there for now, and do the foot and the arm in the next tutorial. Alright, but there we go, that's the first part done.